Hello everybody, my name is Diana and today I am going to show you how to make whipped coffee with boba. It is a recipe that is easy to make and super delicious to drink. Firstly, we are going to prepare our boba, which we will later use in the recipe.
We are going to start by boiling the pearls. We will leave it boiling for 40 to 45 minutes.
While the boba is in the pot boiling, we will take a separate bowl to make the main part of our recipe. We will take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and added 2 tablespoons of warm water. We are going to whisk it all together for 3 to 5 minutes while it starts to get a little stiff.
Once our boba is boiled, we will strain and put the pearl in sugar syrup for 10 minutes. This will make it taste sweeter.
Now for the final part, we are going to assemble all the ingredients together. Firstly, we will take a glass and pour our boba in. Then we will take a cup of warm milk and pour it over the boba. Then we are putting our whipped coffee that we prepared earlier on the top. For some finishing touches, we are just going to sprinkle some coffee on top.
And there we go, our whipped coffee with boba.
Thank you so much for watching.